Hi there guys and gals, good evening to each every one of you. Shout out to each every one of you. How are you all doing? It's been a while since I'm not doing this because these past few days I have lots of pending uploads and then I've been serving it to you right on your face, right on your table. Anyway guys and gals, let's do this week. Thank you Lord for all the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my family in Bicol, happy baby mother, mother, single, baby, chicha, and Kel. Shout out to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much, each and every one of you. To all my silent subscribers out there, hi, hi, hi. And to all my 10 lovely countries, how are you all doing? I haven't checked who are those 10 lovely countries. But anyway, after this, I'm gonna check. And then tomorrow, I'm gonna shout each and every one of you. And what else? To all my silent subscribers, did I say that? Sorry, I mean lost. And to all my new subscribers for today and for each every day that God has given me. Thank you so much, each and every one of you. And you know what, guys and girls, thank you very much for all the love and affection, for the support that you gave on my channel, for browsing it, for liking it, for sharing it. Especially on my shorts, I had lots of views. I have 7,000, 8.7, 5,000, 3,000, 1,000, 1.2, 2.2. Thank you so much. Especially the generation is generation is